snake rescues, and and trust me, those snakes are better than your ex.
Definitely.
Never compare humans with snakes.
Definitely. Insane. Say hi to audience.
Hi audience.
Hi audience. Okay. To get back to the original peak strength, jogging will not solve it, walking will not solve it. It is just super sprint. Holy shit. Show your face while saying it.
भाई टाइम पे पैसा दे दो यार. पैसा बहुत important है यार. Money is the ultimate happiness till the time you make enough money and you lose the purpose of life. So first make shitloads of money, keep your parents happy, give them a good life. Wait, if anybody of you is facing problems with fitness, we can share experience from our daily lives, but not sell courses to you. That's
Exactly. Okay, so welcome to vlog number 11. I guess 10 I have done yesterday. I have to edit it today. I'm gonna sit with editing right now. I'm gonna get it done in another 1 hour. But before that, I woke up today. I slept at my place. I had a good 6 hours of sleep. And after that, right now, I'm having my coffee in my kitchen. I came to office early today just to get a lot of shit done. Just to get a lot of things sorted. We also have a guest today. Ritvik, hi, how are you?
Hi, fine.
When did you came today?
At morning 5 a.m.
Wow, awesome. And his friend, what's your name?
My name is Rishu Kumar.
Say hi to audience.
Hi audience.
Hi audience. Okay. He will only do whatever is said to him. Anyway, let's get started. So I've gotten one client's work sorted by now, and apart from that, I have gotten few other things and stuff sorted. I have two back-to-back calls today that I have to attend, and apart from this, I am very pumped up for the edits and all this stuff. So most of it, this day is going to be a killing day. I'm feeling like it, and I'm gonna do it today and as early as possible. And I'll get a good sleep tonight because I have almost figured out my routine and stuff. The only thing that remains is I have to figure out when do I go to gym. And apart from that, there are a few copies and offers that I need to do, which is giving me a headache the moment I think about it. Any of which ways, those are my personal stuff. So it has nothing to do with clients. It has everything to do with my business. That is what I'm gonna do, and that is what I'm gonna nail and all. Right? So see you next time. Let's go. So right now, me and Nirith, we are going for a client visit. Like the last week that we had, it was pretty fun. So Nirith is off for an international show. So we are not saying anything about that show, but he is doing some good old preparations. So we are going to interview him a little bit around what type of preparation he is having, and most importantly, he is doing a weight loss challenge because that requires that thing. And let's go. Nirith, hand over to you.
Yeah.
So how did you lose this much weight in like 10 days? 10 to 15?
Today is 16th day.
16 days. So how did you lose this much amount of weight?
Okay, first of all, I'm not doing any international show. I'm in talks to do an international show. We can't reveal that unless everything is confirmed. And that show requires a fit body of mine, has to do something with wildlife and nature. And so I wouldn't say that I'm too much fat or too much unhealthy, but yes, I do consume a lot of carbonated drinks filled with sugar, right? So of course, I think we have been friends for at least 4 to 5 years.
Yeah.
So he has taught me a lot about fitness. He's a gym freak. He takes care of your body very well. So one thing that I realized, sugar is not the enemy, but overconsumption of sugar is the enemy, right?
Exactly.
And I do have a habit of consuming a lot of carbonated drinks every day, like 2 to 3 bottles of carbonated drinks, right? So the only thing that I did was to the 16 day, I have stopped consuming carbonated drinks for the last 16 days. I remember I had only one drink, I think maybe a cold drink, which was not sugar free. That was the only cheat day, right? So till now, I've lost around 3.1 kgs in the last 16 days. Just by not consuming sugar. And of course, the day-to-day work that we do, I'm sure, even if I don't do the gym, the kind of work we do, the shoots of the client, walking around, running around, the stress, I think we at least do 30 to 40,000 steps on a daily basis without knowing it. So somewhere down the line, the body is not dormant, it's still active, because we keep on saying that, we need to play a lot of football and cricket, indoors.
Yeah.
But when you're growing
martial
up,
arts. By the way, we are going to join martial arts soon. both of us were going to join, and we're going to take another friend of ours. Is I think no, we shouldn't say it right now.
Yeah, we can't
Yeah.
say that.
Yeah,
Tirtha, I think was doing martial arts for 6 months until he faced injury, and then he surprisingly he's now a referee for the national games of grappling. Right.
Yeah.
Even I think it has been almost 8 to 9 years since I left martial arts. I've done Kyokushin karate, I've done Krav Maga. But again, yeah, martial arts is probably one of the best way
to get back to the actual peak human fitness.
peak human fitness, because
Yeah.
you know muscles don't win you fights. There's a famous saying, right?
Instinct do.
And
Yeah. So that's the update. Now, if any one of you guys are actually struggling with your fitness, the best thing about it is,
wait, if
Yeah.
anybody of you is facing problems with fitness,
yeah,
we can share experience from our daily lives, but not sell courses to you. That's the
Exactly.
difference. DM for training PDF, something like see all these fitness influencers.
yeah. So that's not what we're going to do. And the basic movement will help. Like, it will not only just help you to stay fit. Like, if you do a walking of around, let's just say 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers per day, right? If you just do the normal walking, that will give you enough fitness. And the peak human fitness is always sprinting. So what I had is, I'll tell you. So I have an injury in my ligament. I had it.
Same.
Then
We both have.
Yeah,
same
he
problem.
also had that. So it's the ligament injury is quite severe. Like, I had 2 ligament torn completely, 1 ligament with only just like grade 2 tear. So that was on the hip. Now one day I was with one of my friend, so I'll show him on later on some vlogs. So I was with him on, let's just say, a place, right? And we were trying out sprinting. So what I saw, my entire posture had actually lost. Like, I lost my ability to go to the full sprint that I used to do. I used to win medals at schools and all this stuff during that time. Like, those kind of sprints, super fast sprints. I couldn't do it. My entire posture was gone. So I was talking to my doctor the other day. What he suggested was, go ahead and do sprinting. Not jogging, not walking, just do sprinting. I was like, yeah, it makes sense because I can't sprint, but more importantly, the reason behind it was crazy. If you want to know, just click on the subscribe button. But idea is, so for the, like, I am 26, 27. So for the last, let's just say 20 years, not 20 years, for the first 20 to 25 years of my life, what I did was sprinting. So it took like those 20 years to get the strength on the ligaments. I played a lot of football, I played cricket, we played like 12-13 hours in the days, weekends and all this stuff, right? And that's got us like very much more strength into our ligaments than normal people. Now what happened after the surgery, I was not even walking for like 4 months. Normal walking I was not doing, which is why I lost a lot of strength. And on top of that, if there is any kind of surgery, what will happen is you will lose the strength. To get back to the original peak strength, jogging will not solve it, walking will not solve it. It is just super sprinting will solve it. So that's what I'm gonna do. But right now sprinting has become impossible with my current routine. I won't say impossible, but I'm finding it quite hard to make time for it.
I think because we sleep very late at night, in order to
Yeah.
wake up quite early, that becomes a challenge.
That becomes a very big challenge. Like last week, Nidit was on my office for like 3 days straight.
3 days straight.
3 days straight, and we had barely been sleeping like, I don't know, 4 hours a day maybe, or even less.
To be very honest, it's fun to work like this.
Yeah.
But the only problem is when the client don't pay you on time. Delayed payments, that kills the motivation.
Show your face while saying it.
भाई टाइम पे पैसा दे दो यार, पैसा बहुत important है यार. Money is the ultimate happiness till the time you make enough money and you lose the purpose of life. So first make shitloads of money, keep your parents happy, give them a good life, you know.
And on top of that, the most pissing thing that you can do to a marketer is micromanage what he's doing. Like, what the fuck, dude? You keep your views to yourself.
Rohit,
Let
I
me
hope you're
work.
watching this video. Rohit, I hope you're watching this video. Rohit, I'm coming for you, Rohit. You're one of the closest people to my heart, but I'm going for you, Rohit. Rohit, I'm talking about Rohit Sharma. No, I'm just
Don't do micromanagement. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and do the visit today.
And wait.
Yeah.
So now is the time when a lot of reptiles are going to come outside from the city of Calcutta. They're going to come out from the hiding place because the monsoon is arriving. I think for the last 2-3 odd years, Tirto has accompanied me to a lot of snake rescues. And soon in the coming vlogs, you're definitely going to see a lot of snake rescues. And trust me.
Yeah.
And trust me, those snakes are better than your ex. You know.
Definitely.
Never compare humans with snakes.
Definitely. 1000%.
Chalo. Take care.
Take care. See you in the video at night.
So this is Throttle Shuttle, one of the best, probably the best bikers cafe in Calcutta, and
We are here for only two creatures.
the big reason why we come over here is to meet two giants.
This
Number one is the
Ford.
Great Dane, and
It's a Mercedes.
that's Dogo Argentino. Hey, hey.
Come on, Mercedes. Hey, come on, Ford. Size. See the size. आजा. Size की बड़ा देखा वो. How do I show the size?
দুটো হাত দিয়ে তুলতে হবে, দুটো হাত দিয়ে তলা দুটো হাত দিয়ে তুলতে হবে, হাত
तोला तो हाथ.
হ্যাঁ
Stretch it.
ধর এটা ধর
Yeah.
কম
Holy shit. Crazy. And there is the Mercedes. Hello. How are you? How are you?
bench press,
Leg press.
just like leg press. টাকলাটা চাটবে এবার
যদি হাম করতে আরম্ভ করে
এটা চাপ
So there are always often some things that you found rarely in the street of Calcutta. So this is actually one of those things that I found near this cafe that we came to. So see this Porsche 918 Boxster. Absolutely insane. Generally, as a person with ego, doesn't shoot and film anything apart from himself and all. But when you see someone achieve your dream car, even if it is not your dream car, but the brand is the dream brand, so even if someone has achieved that, that is a very big achievement in itself. Insane. So it's 2 a.m. now, and we have completed our walk, and right now we are gonna take some rest. Today was pretty productive day, and I got lot of things done today. Extreme number of things done today. I got to have a lot of new stuff in the video. It's gonna be pretty exciting video. I think you have already watched the entire video, so all it remains for you to do is like, share and subscribe. That's it. Thank you for now. I'm gonna take a rest. Tomorrow morning let's again wake up and do something. Thank you.